Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck.
Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope that you are having a great day. If you need a little motivation to get up and clean today, you're in the right place. Today we're doing a reset, tackling some laundry and cleaning up my sunroom. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start out with the affirmation. I have everything I need to reset my space and my mind, and every step forward feels good. You know, guys, there's no pressure to do everything all at once. Just take one step at a time, right here, right now. So as I go on and finish up my task, I can feel the shift. Each task I finish brings a little bit more ease and a little bit more clarity, and every step forward feels really good.
Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm better.
I always like to start with laundry because it instantly makes the house feel more put together. There's something about fresh, clean laundry that makes everything feel like a fresh start. Even if I don't get everything done today, at least this is one thing that I can check off my to-do list.
See the love going after what I want. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be.
Next, I'm moving into the sunroom. That huge box that I'm struggling with is for our new patio furniture cushions for our screened-in porch. We haven't had time to put them together. We only opened the box to make sure they fit. So I will be tackling my screened-in porch in a future video coming soon. So go ahead and turn on those notifications if you're interested in seeing that. So anyway, this is one of my favorite spaces in the house, but it tends to collect random things throughout the week. It seems like all the random furniture that didn't fit in the other parts of the house and things that we didn't have any plans for ended up in this room. So we're actually planning on redecorating this room in the next couple of months. It's definitely high on our list. So today I'm just giving it a quick refresh, putting things back where they belong, wiping both me and my husband's desk down, and getting the windows cleaned. I swear, a clean space just feels different. It's so much easier to relax when everything is fresh and in order.
You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, like it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. 50-11 days, 50-11 days, 50-11. I lost count of all of the weeks that you have your way. Wouldn't pick a fight when you'd leave. Now you're back for more. Did you find the healing you seek, or did you realize that I'm everything that you need? That wasn't there. Go back. Hurt so bad. Had to block out the memory. Yeah. Start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, love it in the worst way. You've been gone away, since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday, your favorite position. Do we still have chemistry? Yeah. Since you've been gone away so long. Thought that I would be a bit at peace by now. Yeah, you're lying in the shadows of my room. Oh, always heard your voice, I forget the sound now. You're awfully quiet while I cry out for you. Oh, I know you don't have much to say, yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken by you. You take the time away to clear your head out, but I had so much to say, and you let me get away.
Here I am just cleaning off my work desk. If you are new here, I do work remote. I work full-time. I've been working remote for about 8 years now. I've been at my job for about 11. I never go into the office. And also I work for a technology company.
So we'll never know, we'll never know. You came into my life at the right point, and now you're leaving when it gets hard. Should've kept it straight from the jump. Why'd we come this far to get this far? I should leave it alone, cause there's no proof of you staying. Your mind was made up a couple months ago. Oh no, I know you don't have much to say, yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken by you. You take the time away to clear your head out. I don't got nothing to say. How could you let me get away still? Well, I still cry, I won't lie. But you'll never know, you'll never know if I'm fine. Am I alright? Well, you'll never know, you'll never know. You took this path on your own time without giving us a try. So we'll never know, we'll never know. Feel good, won't feel bad tonight. I feel good, won't feel bad tonight. I feel good, don't care where you're at tonight. I feel good, you wonder where I'm at tonight. I'm at tonight. Summer is always surprising me in just a bit. It's mid-July, then it's gone, and I haven't moved on. Summer is always confusing me. Honestly, I thought I'd feel warm, but I'm cold. It's getting old. I've said so many times, when summer comes around, I'll be ready for the ride. I'll be ready this time, I'll be ready for it all. But then suddenly it's fall. Next summertime, when I find myself, I'll be better off than last year. This time I'll be fine.
Okay, so I'm just taking my broom just to make sure there's no spider webs accumulating in the corners. This is a sunroom, so I'm just making sure, because it is getting warmer outside. We try to treat this place, this room, as much as we can, but I don't have time. I don't do spiders, and I certainly don't do bugs.
Comes around, eventually back down, just waiting for next spring. It's kind of been my thing. I'm waiting. Oh, I'm just waiting. I've said so many times, for the ride. I'll be ready this time, I'll be ready for it all. But then suddenly it's fall. Next summertime, summertime, when I found myself, I'll be better off than last year. This time I'll be fine, I promise. Fine, I promise. Next summertime, summertime, when I found myself, I won't turn around, I'll dive head first into the deepest end. I'll face all my fears again. Mark my calendar for the beginning of summer. Thought I'd be someone else, but before I knew it, summer was over. Mark my calendar for the beginning of summer. Thought I'd be someone else, but summer is over, and now I'm getting old. Next summertime, summertime, when I found myself, I'll be better off than last year. This time I'll be fine, I promise. Fine, I promise. Summertime, summertime, when I found myself, I won't turn around, I'll dive head first into the deepest end. I face all my fears again. Next summertime. Next summertime. Next summertime.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. Yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
I should've known better, deja vu. I should've known better that I'd lose. I should've known better. Tell me that this wasn't all for nothing. I should've known better than I did. I should've known better. Love's love, man. I should've known better than to give my all. It never works out for me. Your phone, I should've known that time would show me your true colors. I feel I would play the fool. I should've known you would break our rules. I should've known you wasn't ready to be a lover for.
That's it for today's Clean With Me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that I gave you a little motivation to tackle something in your own space, even if it's just one load of laundry or one drawer. Every little bit counts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.